Today I will show you how to restore the coating with varnish using the example of my desktop. The first thing you need to do is put on clothes that you don't want to mess with. As you can see, over the past 3 years the varnish coating has spoiled a little. Many scratches and stains. First, it's necessary to clean the coating with a solvent and abrasive sandpaper. So the coating is clean and you can cover the table with varnish coating. I can cover the table with varnish using a spray gun and a compressor, but you can achieve the same result with a tampon. The tampon is made with the help of thin, not nap, cotton or linen fabric, and inside are put pieces of cloth or even pieces of toilet paper. I use a matte varnish with a brown color to do a uniform shine. I proceed to coloring, moistening the tampon with lacquer. After completely drying the varnish coating, You can see that the quality of a coating with varnish turned out to be the same as that of a professional furniture maker. My story is over. Goodbye.